that
Debate, one-on-one debate, yeah?
that
That's what I'm trying to say.
Satan caused false revelation
And then correct it.
on Muhammad's
And then
mouth.
correct
He
it.
just said it. And he didn't
Oh,
know it.
look.
I know the verse is there, but we can't
Huh?
write
Can I get a quick selfie?
Yes, sure. Muhammad himself said, "Ma ana bakari." Am I right?
You can't
In Arabic, he said, "Ma ana bikari." What does this mean? What does this mean? I am unpad, jahil, who cannot read and write. Yeah,
he was illiterate.
he was illiterate. Excellent. If a prophet is illiterate,
illiterate in religion.
yeah,
All Muslims are illiterate in religion.
that's right.
That's what the Quran says.
Yes.
When they say Muhammad was illiterate,
Yes.
it means Muhammad had no faith.
Yeah.
Muhammad didn't believe in God.
That's right.
Muhammad had no book. Muhammad had no book. That is why he was called an illiterate.
Illiterate. Yes, yes.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch. No.
A Muslim don't touch
No. No touching each other. No touching each other. Yeah. Stay there.
Muhammad was an
Stay there
illiterate.
and talk.
Muhammad was an illiterate because Muslims don't have a book.
Yes.
Muhammad did not have a book.
That's right.
That's why Muhammad was an illiterate.
Yes.
Muhammad said he was an illiterate
He's just
because
saying
he
things. I don't
had
like
no
this.
book.
What is it?
Yes. He's just saying things.
Only
I
the
don't
Jews
like
and the
it.
Christians.
You know what he is saying? What he is saying that Muhammad and his parents, they were
God, Muhammad
idol
had no
worshipper.
faith.
Idol worshipper. You know that? All the crash.
Because Muhammad had no
Yeah.
faith.
All the crash. They were idol worshipper.
Muhammad
Yeah.
had no faith according to the
But-
Quran.
Because Muhammad claimed to be a prophet. Claimed to be a prophet, but he wasn't a
That's
prophet.
your opinion.
No,
That's your opinion.
no. That's what Quran says. That's what Quran says.
Quran says that Muhammad wasn't a prophet.
What?
The Quran, you're saying that the Quran said that Muhammad wasn't a prophet.
No. Quran says that Muhammad received revelation from Satan. From Satan.
From what?
Surah 53, verse 19 onward says that Muhammad received satanic verses.
No, that's
Satanic
not,
verses.
That's not true.
And Muhammad received
Look it up. It's not true.
revelation from Satan.
Do you want to
Yeah?
discuss this? Do you want to discuss this?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Basically, the satanic.
Let the girl speak. Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Satanic verses
Yeah.
are not true. What happens is basically in Bukhari. Exactly what's the verse? Literally.
It's not only in the Bukhari, but it's mentioned in the Quran. It's mentioned in the Quran.
What's the verse?
Yeah.
What's the verse?
What's the verse?
Yeah.
Surah 53.
Okay, look it up.
Surah 53 verse 19 onward. If we read, huh?
Verse
It says,
57,
Lat,
19, there it is.
Lat,
There, mate.
Munat, and Uzat, three daughters of Allah.
No,
Those are idol of Allah. Yeah, those were the idol.
Okay, wait a second.
Yeah, those were the idol. Okay,
57.
He said 35.
what is it?
Surah 35 you just mentioned, right? Surah 35.
Are you dumb? Are you dumb like your prophet? No. Did I say 35? I said 53. Surah 53, verse 19,
I know it. What do you want about it?
20,
Nine.
verse 19, 20, and 21. Okay. No. Look. Let me explain you. Let me explain to you.
Go on. He can't speak to me, Wallah. What are you?
If you say that this is wrong,
What's wrong?
but Satan did not give revelation to Muhammad.
That comes from
If you say this is wrong, if you say this is wrong, then what did Allah abrogate from the Quran?
where did it mention?
Allah abrogate nothing then.
Don't
Yeah.
lie.
Believe whatever you want.
If there is a abrogation,
You're a big man. Shouldn't lie.
if there is a abrogation in the Quran,
Shouldn't lie.
if Allah says there is a abrogation in the Quran,
You're just a liar. You're just a liar.
come on, come
Tell
on.
me what it is.
Then your Quran is a lie, and your Muhammad is a liar. Your Muslims are liar. You are a liar. You are a liar. You are a liar all the time.
Because I spoke to you that time and you can't. Where's the first?
You always ran away.
Where's the
I
verse?
run
You
away.
are always ran away. You always
on your channel.
no. You always ran
I
away.
ran away.
Where
Yeah.
is the verse?
You always ran away.
Where is the verse? You're
Whenever-
just lying.
whenever we
Where is the
say-
verse? Tell me where it is. You're just 33. Where it is saying that Quran.
What does it says? What does it say? What does it say? Do you read?
I can.
Do you read?
I can.
Come on, read
No,
it.
just tell me what it is.
The
You're just
Surah,
Yeah.
Surah 53, verse 19.
Yeah, what did it say?
Go ahead and read. Come on, come on, read it. Read it. Read it. Come on, read it. Come on, read it. Read it.
You just said.
Read it first.
You won't understand this. You won't
Go
understand
read
this.
it
You won't
and
understand
read
this. You
the
won't
explanation of your Quran. Explanation of your Quran.
You won't understand this.
What's the point? I'm lost.
You don't know?
What's your point?
You don't know the
I don't know
point?
your point. No.
Huh?
No, I don't.
Quran clearly says, Quran clearly says that
Debate, one-on-one debate, yeah?
that
I'm trying to say.
Satan caused false revelation
And then correct it.
on Muhammad's
And then
mouth.
Correct
He
it.
just said it and he didn't
Oh,
do it.
look.
He's
I know the
lying.
verse is there, but you can't
Huh?
read the time verse.
quick selfie?
Yes, sure.
Why are you sticking this with this?
Thank you. Okay.
You're
No, listen carefully.
He's famous now.
No, he agree. He agreed that Muhammad received satanic verses. Yeah?
Never agree with that. What's the verse again? That verse.
You can even start reading
What's the verse? What's the verse? Because you've
Surah 22 verse 52.
I'm going to bring up
Surah, I will,
22 verse.
Now who's the dumb now?
Surah 22
Go on, verse
verse 52.
52. Let's have
Yeah.
it. It's
Surah
there. I
22.
know it's there, but you have not read the entire verse. So stop trying to waffle. There it is. And we said that before the famous desire. Satan threw some vanity into his desire.
Satan? What does Satan do?
Allow me to speak. Allow me to speak.
Yeah.
He read the first part, he forgets all of it. But Allah will cancel anything vain that Satan throws in, and Allah will confirm and establish His signs.
So,
which means Allah has
no,
let
listen
Allah
carefully.
destroy
Try
them.
to understand.
For Allah
Try
has
to
given
understand.
wisdom.
Try to understand.
You're trying
Try.
to
Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
You have not read the verse.
Listen carefully.
Are you?
The verse says.
No, stop.
The verse says that Satan received.
No.
Satan
Never
received.
the message of Prophet before thee, but he framed.
The prophet received.
Satan threw some, not the prophets.
Satan threw
desire.
some.
And then straight after that verse, but Allah will cancel anything vain, which means it's not there anymore.
Why Allah is abrogating?
No, I'm not.
Why Allah is abrogating?
But Allah will cancel anything vain, which means it's not there anymore.
So Allah is cancelling. Yeah. Whatever has come.
Talk to him.
Yeah. So you got the answer. You got the answer. Yeah. Come on.
It's the same exact thing. If there's a ball, right? Satan comes and puts, I don't know, a crisp into it, right? Allah comes in and picks up that crisp and puts it away. It's the same thing. The shaitan
No.
throw something into
No.
it, and Allah cancels it out.
No,
And that's
listen
the same
carefully.
thing. So therefore
Listen.
it's no longer there. It's no longer
Don't
there.
twist.
not
Don't twist
twisting.
the word of Quran. So according to your Quran, Shaitan is putting
Don't say Muhammad.
some false revelation,
Muhammad is not there.
false revelation
That's for all the
on the one who is receiving the Quran.
What you on about?
Yeah.
Which prophet
says
received
never-
revelation from Satan and didn't even
Never
acknowledge?
did a messenger or a prophet, which means it's
I will not say Muhammad because the name of Muhammad is not written here. Yeah, I will not say, but I will say the one who received the Quran, Shaitan put the false revelation in the Quran.
Allah cancel anything vain.
In the Quran.
Why are you speaking
Yes.
to him? I'm speaking to you.
So
stop speaking to him, bro. Speak
Shaitan is a successful.
Ayo, I know.
Shaitan is successful.
No, he's not.
according to
He says,
Quran.
But Allah will cancel
Yeah.
anything vain.
So Shaitan is a successful according to Quran.
Sir, how
But-
are you going to answer this question? What kind of prophet cannot even recognize
It's
the
not
voice of
only Prophet
Gabriel?
Muhammad, it's all prophets and messengers. It says it here.
Huh?
Never did we send a messenger or a prophet, which means every single prophet and a messenger. Isa, Moses.
We haven't heard any prophet as
He's
such.
trying to say,
We haven't heard any prophet as such who is receiving the revelation from Satan.
what do you want? No,
Yeah.
I've never said, I know.
Only
It's not only he receives the revelation, he bows down and worships them.
that's right. That's right. Yes,
Says the people that bow to a cross.
that's right. So
Is that a lie?
What?
Is that a lie? Muhammad didn't do that.
Bow to a cross.
Muhammad didn't bow down to pagan
I
gods.
didn't
yes, he did bow down to pagan.
Muhammad,
Stop
soon after
changing
Muhammad
topic.
received the revelation,
Stop changing
Hello?
did he not,
no.
did he
I know
not bow down
Ji,
to
but-
pagan gods? That's
My
the
point
point.
is this. No,
That's the
no.
point.
That's the
Your
point.
prophet
That's the point.
bowed down
That
to
wasn't your
pagan
That-
gods.
no, no,
wasn't
no.
your point.
Huh?
That was not your
That was
point.
my point.
No, it wasn't
From
your point.
beginning.
You
From
said
beginning,
Shaitan
my
tries to
point.
corrupt it.
Huh?
She said,
What is it? What is it? What is it?
what's your point now?
My point.
Yes.
My point was from the beginning. My point was this, that Shaitan was successful by
That's not our point.
giving the revelation
That's not our point.
to the one who is receiving the Quran.
No.
Yeah.
Why can't you read the entire verse? Uncle. The verse, bro, come on.
Come
Just
on.
read the verse, for God's sake. Right? It says it in the end. Just read the entire verse.
Even if you read 1,000 times of this verse, you cannot change what Shaitan has already done it.
If you don't allow me to speak, I'm
Oh, sure. Go ahead.
But Allah will cancel anything vain. You read that verse, but ignore the entire rest of the verse. Are you okay, mate?
No.
What do we know? No,
You are missing the point.
Allah will cancel.
You are missing the point.
You're missing the point.
Look, if I'm shot by somebody,
You're shot by
and you are saying I'm your bodyguard, I'm going to save you, but I'm already shot. What's the point of
Allah is gonna take the
what is the
away.
point of
Allah comes and
you being my bodyguard if you are unable to save me?
No, what are you on about? That's one of the worst examples I've ever heard.
See, if Shaitan is successful of putting the false revelation on Muhammad's mouth, then Allah is a fail. Allah is a fail to protect Muhammad.
Look. Firstly,
Allah is a fail to protect Muhammad.
It's like, all right. Your point makes no sense. What do you mean? Vain?
Oh.
Anything vain? Can't you read the verse? Uncle. Look at this, please. But look at it.
Yes.
Look at it.
Yes.
Because
But look. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying.
But Allah
Yeah.
will cancel anything.
This is what I'm saying.
What-
Allah
you're saying
is
that you're
failed.
a clever-
Allah is failed by cancelling the verse when Shaitan is already successful.